How to fix can't follow on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. See if the issue persists, and if yes, then you can force quit the app. So close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store. Also, make sure you're using an updated version, so open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated, and if not, then go ahead and update Instagram to its latest version. Also, make sure that you've hit the Instagram follow limits, as Instagram only allows roughly 200 follows or unfollows per day, and its maximum following capacity is 7,500 accounts in total. So if you already follow 7,500 accounts, then go ahead and unfollow some before following more. And if you have followed many people quickly, then you'll have to wait 24 to 48 hours for the limit to reset. And if you're still fixing the issue, then it might be because temporary action has blocked you. So, Instagram may block actions if it thinks that you're behaving like a bot, such as following or unfollowing too fast or using third party apps, etc. So, stop following or unfollowing for 24 to 72 hours, and you can also try to log out of Instagram and then log back in to refresh your session. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix cannot follow on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.